Hello again folks, day 25, and we are going to revisit the TCH folding rigid triple pull handcuffs. We're going to put the double locks on. And see if the Southern Specialties ball pick can defeat the double lock today. Hopefully. There we go, that's one side. That's a double lock off. Again, this side's always a tricky side. There we go. Finally, perseverance pays off. That is for TCH 850 folding rigids versus Southern Specialties ball pick from a Shackleman set. Great set. Go and get one if you're into it. That's it for now, folks. See you tomorrow, day 26. Bye for now.